Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 and divided by 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression we have 3 divisions and we have to work from left to right. So first, this division 5 divided by 5 gives us just 1. So 1 divided by 5 and again divided by 5. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 5 can be written as 1 over 5. So we have 1 over 5 and divided by 5. According to the KCF rule, 1 over 5 divided by 5 can be written as 1 over 5 times 1 over 5. And this is equal to 1 over 5 times 5, which equals 25. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 25.